Hello everyone. So I've just walked into Marshall's and I see some really nice travel bags here, and they have this strap that can slide onto your carry-on luggage or your large check-in luggage, and I always think that's really practical. And I love that this one here has some side zippers so you can slide things in. I actually like the style of this front bag versus the back one. I thought I'd share with you some of the luggage sets that they have. I love this white one. I just think it might get dirty a little bit too fast. I actually have to find my son a small carry-on. He has quite a large bag, but sometimes when you're just doing a smaller trip, he needs a small bag. Something like this might be the right size for him. I like to have outer pockets, but I don't know if he would need that. Lots of really nice cases here. Some fun Raptors t-shirts. See if I have his size here. They have a nice selection of socks for men, running socks, lots of brand names. So I'll be probably spending a little bit more time in the baby section these coming months because, not for me, but my family. There's a family member very close to me who is pregnant. So you'll probably see me filming a lot more baby items. Just a little heads up, because I'll spend more time in these aisles, and then I kind of been avoiding them. Oh my goodness, this reminds me of when I was a kiddo, the Little People barn. Some Ray Dunn items, as you can see here. The kits as well are available. So they also have a section where like there's sports bags or duffel bags, and look at this Nat and Matt bag. How pretty. It's a little bit busy in here, but here's some track outfits. Brand named Adidas and Champion. They have a few items on clearance as well if you're looking for blouses, etc. These are like a leather texture. And they have some more tracks, more casual, comfy home clothes, I guess. I wouldn't say those are really running. Some more Ray Dunn things. I don't know, her stuff is just not selling like it used to. Nature Glow, Morph. They have some really nice hairbrushes, actually. I always forget to check them out for this stuff. Organization, I keep sharing with you. I know some of you get very upset with me that it's not budget friendly, but the quality and the size, these are glass, and they're amazing because they have a glass divider on the inside. I absolutely love them for lunches, on the go packing. They have lots of eye design. This one's interesting because it's on a diagonal. Going through some of the home furniture, there's not a lot, but there's some very boho chic, trendy items here. Live wood. Great selection of mirrors and wall decor. This is way larger in person than it comes across on camera, but I've purchased some from Amazon. I love these because they have a lid and they're stackable. But here's another nice drawer system, especially for a craft room. This is why I buy them, to organize my things. I love everything visible. These are really nice. Scrabble. Looks like it's on markdown. They have some more luggage, and I just love the detailing on the London Fog type luggage. Look how beautiful these are. That blue one is nice too. So cute. Minnie Mouse is still kicking around. Some of the cutest toiletry bags. I love the different colors and the styles. Some of them open, some of them have just a zip around. I love this camo color. This one even has the hanging hook. So beautiful. This is a Guess bag. I don't know if they're less expensive than online or their store. They have some really nice bed sets as well right now. I always like to check from my son. A nice cotton comforter, breathable one, easy to wash, easy to dry. They have so many Easter goodies still on the shelf that I think we're going to see some big sales. Next week, I'm sure a lot of this stuff is going to be on sale. Well, this is the garden decor, but the Easter stuff that's left kicking around here, I think is going to be on markdown, because how is this going to sell in time? So I probably will pop back next week. Look at this. All mugs. It looks like it's already getting ready for markdown. It's on a portable type of station. So many nice pots for outdoors. Check out the outdoor garden things. How pretty are these chairs? It's just too bad that they don't actually match. Somebody was asking if they had any bars, like portable bars. So it looks like they have this one here, but I'm not sure if this is what you're looking for. More Ray Dunn, almost more of the classic look. Tons of spring mugs. More furniture. The Pop OXO. These packages are amazing. This stuff sells so fast as soon as it's put out. So if you see it, buy it if you need it. Beautiful baskets. Painting. Some of them have been kicking around. And some more Easter stuff gathered here on a table. And look at these beautiful chairs. Oh my goodness, so nice. I hope you enjoyed walking through Marshall's with me. I'm going to leave you with a few DIYs for inspiration using Dollar Tree items. If you want to see the full tutorial, I'll link it down below. Thank you again for watching, and until next time, everyone, bye for now.